Hello class, welcome to another session of your accountancy class. So today we are going to take an important aspect of the chapter non-profit organization, and an important aspect of a non-profit organization is the accounting. For most of the non-profit organization is based on a system called fund-based accounting. So our topic of discussion will be fund-based accounting. Now before knowing what is fund-based accounting, let us know the meaning of fund for a non-profit organization. See, if any amount is received by a non-profit organization which is for a specific purpose, or if an amount is received by a non-profit organization as some kind of donation, and that amount is being received in the form of donation meant for a specific purpose, then this amount will be termed as fund. This amount will be termed as fund. So any kind of donation or fund which is received for a specific purpose, it will not be used for the general day-to-day expenses of the non-profit organization. If it is meant for a specific purpose, any kind of donation or any amount which is received, it may not be in the form of donation, but it may be in the form of some other contribution also, not specifically donation, but meant for a specific purpose. So such an amount which may be in the form of donation or fund, it will be credited to a separate fund account. That is, for if it is for a specific purpose, a fund account in the name of the purpose for which it will be utilized has to be created. A separate fund account is to be created, and whatever the donations are received for that specific purpose, it will be credited to that fund account, and such a fund account will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. And any further income in that fund or any further donation will be received will also be credited to the fund account. In case any expenses or payments for this particular fund created is there, then the payments will be made out of this fund, and when any expenses or payment is made, then these funds will, the fund account will be debited, or the deduction will be made from the fund account. So when accounting is done on the basis of such way, that is creating a separate fund account for any donation which is for a specific purpose, it is known as fund-based accounting. So fund-based accounting is that form of accounting where donation or any amount which is received for a specific purpose is handled by creating a separate fund account, and all the accounting work related to that particular fund is shown in that particular fund account. Any income received will be added to that fund account, or any further donation will be added to the fund account. But if any expenses or payments are made out of the fund purpose, then it will be debited or deducted from the fund account. Such a system of accounting for a non-profit organization is known as fund-based accounting. Some of the examples of specific fund are building fund, library fund, sports fund, prize fund, and there may be many other, but these are some common funds account created for a specific purpose. Like building fund will be for the specific use of building development, or addition of more rooms in the building, or it may be upkeep of the building. So there will be any expenses or further donations will be specifically used for the purpose of building only. Like library fund will be meant for purchase of further library books, or maintaining the library halls, or any expenses met for library. A sports fund or prizes fund will be relating to a sports fund relating to the sports events conducted. Library prize fund will be for the various prize expenses, or trophies, or certificates or prizes which were distributed for any specific contest or any programs which are conducted or held in a non-profit organization. And so the specific purpose funds are created, and it will be meant, or its accounting will be done separately, and these will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet in general. Generally we are showing them in the liability side of the balance sheet. We'll continue this discussion.